What's good, y'all? It's HB Punch and Profit. Let's break down price action from today in the NASDAQ. We had more than two setups actually, just didn't want to mark them all because it would get pretty confusing if I put all the signals on there. But if you're new to the channel, comment down below, like the video, subscribe. Let's break it down. So right here is our 9:30 opening, roughly speaking, and we were a little bit indecisive, chopping up and down, stuck within pretty much this range right here, just kind of expanding on both sides. There was a nice signal. You got an inversion roughly around here, and then you could have played the advanced market structure shift, taking little to no drawdown here. Could have played it roughly around here, and you would have had a nice move down with little to no drawdown. But I didn't want to play inside of this range until I got a definitive move of where the market wanted to go, which was bearish. So after that, there was also another opportunity, roughly speaking, around here. I believe it was during the silver bullet hour. I will mark it up, but I'll take it off immediately after I'm done. You had a inversion right here. Okay, very close, but that is a bearish fair value gap in there, right? That overlaps this bullish fair value gap. You get that inversion. Okay, you know the market is pushing down. You get this advanced market structure shift, yellow line. Put your stop at the high, most recent swing high, which is right here. And you had to take a little bit of drawdown on this one right here, but ultimately you got a nice 50 point, or more than 50. That was twice the amount, about 113 points. You could have entered on the close of this bullish fair value gap since you knew where the market was going, the higher time frame, and yeah, you got a nice move to the downside. So that was one of the two signals. Like I said, one up here, but I didn't really want to take a chance in all of this chopping price action. I rather wait and be patient for a more clean setup, okay, for a cleaner look, a clean setup, than try to deal with that choppy range. So we get down here and we tap into a higher time frame PD array. So let's type that up. One tapped into higher time frame PD array. Alright, that was one. I believe it was a bullish fair value gap on the daily time frame that we're tapping into. Okay, two, you get your inversion. Three, your advanced market structure shift. And I would wait to enter after the advanced market structure shift for stop at the low. Then our obvious take profit is 50 points. Now, this one did take a while to develop, but it did work nonetheless. If you stayed true to the strategy and held tight, you would have gotten it. And you would have, depending where you entered, had little to no drawdown. So we tap into a higher time frame PD array. Okay, we get an inversion. We close over the advanced market structure shift. We enter, stop at the low, and this one kind of chopped in a bull or a bear flag pattern for a while, but it did offer 70, about 75 points. Okay, and if you want to see that bear flag pattern, it's roughly this, something like this. Boom. And eventually we had a break retest and it pushed down a little further. So that was one of the A plus setups you could have taken in the day. Then we move up, and I believe we tap into an hourly fair value gap. There was also something on the 15-minute time frame, if I'm not mistaken. We get this inversion, we get this advanced market structure shift, and we push down for a plus 50 points. Fairly easy. All the way down here, it's about 80, 86 points. So those were your setups. Very nice, very clean, certain aspects, a little choppy in the morning, but when you get into a range that's just kind of expanding, don't rush to make a move. All you need to do is wait for the breakout, wait for a little retracement, see if you get a bullish fair value gap. Boom, we close over it with the bearish fair value gap, and then boom, we get this nice punch down. So, yeah, nice clean setups, man. Just got to be patient, wait, and trust the strategy. You may take some losses from time to time, but it's no good as long as you're managing your risk. This is HB. Punch your profit. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe. Peace.